Hey YouTube, you ready? We got our guard on. Let's do it. YouTube, what's going on, man? It's nice swag. Welcome back to another video. Obviously, as you can tell by the intro and title, we've got a special one. I will be cutting my hair today. That is right, ladies and gentlemen. Today you will watch me either perfect and do this haircut very good or mess myself up completely. Keep it locked. Hey YouTube, before we start and get ready to prep and comb, let me show you what I'm looking like. YouTube, now we're gonna comb the hair, get all the hair removed off the scalp, lift it up. That way the clippers and trimmers can better cut through the hair. You wanna make sure your hair is lifted, make sure it's ready and prepped, because this thing is ready. Let's get into it, YouTube. Now I'm just taking my tool structure comb and I'm going to lift my entire pattern. Now that we've got everything lifted off the hair, everything's up, off the scalp. Okay, cool. Now we are going to get prepared to cut. I'll be using wall clippers. Wall clippers, I'll be using the 2 guard 2. Put it on just like this. Make sure that is on. This is going to stop the blades from cutting your hair off. The guard protects. Use protection, you keep your waves. Again, we want to make sure that's on, right? I'm just double checking, bro. Because look at that. Look at that. Not being on right. This is prime example. Be careful. Just like that. Guard on. Snapped in. Hey YouTube, you ready? We got our guard on. Let's do it. Sheesh. YouTube. Whoo. Man, there is hair everywhere, YouTube. Okay, YouTube, we're back. Cut the hair. And there's so much more all over the floor, man. Whew. That cut did us some justice. Now, it's time to shape it up. We will be using the Cut Buddy trimmer. Shape it up, everything will temp, will fade. The sides will come back, we'll do a 0.5 to blend everything. Now we're gonna start the tapering. I'm only doing the area from here down, then in the back. Let's get into it. Now see how we just blended that lightly? That's all we wanna do. This should be darker, this part's gonna be lighter. It will help the haircut pop more. Same thing on this side, YouTube. We're doing the exact same thing on this side. 0.5, 1.5 guard, as you can see. And the same thing again, YouTube. Just take it. And now on the back. Alright, YouTube. We are only going to taper and trim right here. This is the neckline, aka the baseline. You see that wave right there. And this, we do not want to touch that. We only want to touch from there down to here. You see the difference, YouTube? Now, we're going to take our trimmers and start building our line. Okay, YouTube. All I do is grab my cut buddy. The link for this will be in the description. I grab my cut buddy. I am not a professional barber. I just cut my hair. Cool. Grab my cut buddy directly on my shape up. Then I take the clippers and just then do the same thing for the side. See the difference, YouTube? I just take my trimmer, pull it out right there. Voila. Same thing on the other side. Put it up to my shape up. And again, the exact same thing. In the front. That's a thin spot. That is birth. Don't come for me. And that's a thin spot as well from birth. Do not come for me. Your hairline. Simply. Straight in the camera. Not even in the mirror. Start in the middle. Work your way out. Just like that. Now the back. My fault, y'all. I need to see the mirror. I'm sorry. Hold on. YouTube, we are back. The cut is completely done. Tell me what you guys think. I'm about to lay the hair down. I'm gonna rag up, let it rest for a little, maybe an hour or two, you know, just to let everything sit back in place. I will come back and give you the results. Keep it locked. I let the hair rest, let it lay down for a couple hours, and now it's time for the full results of the cut. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Okay, YouTube, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. If you like today's content, please consider like, commenting, and subscribing down below. It helps the channel grow so much. Thank you all for your time. I thank my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, and I thank you all. Until next video, keep it locked.